snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
This is our first Vlogmas, guys, and we are so excited. Today's day one. It's actually like what, 3 p.m. I've been recording all day. So yeah, right now I'm about to go cook. I have so many things. Yes, mama. Yes. I have so many things to share with you guys this Christmas. This is Skye's first Christmas. This is Skye's first Christmas, and so we are so excited to do this Vlogmas. We're gonna do actually like a weekly Vlogmas, not a daily Vlogmas. So please, you guys, I'm a first time mom. It's not easy keeping up with this one. As you can see, she's the boss of this house. Right now I'm about to go find something to eat. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I had my HelloFresh delivery yesterday, and so today I'll be trying to make something yummy to eat. So yeah. Anyway, guys, this is day one. Today's actually November 30th, and I know Vlogmas starts December 1st, which is tomorrow, but we'll just start today, a half day. It's 3 o'clock now. Skye's a bit sleepy. She goes to bed in the next 14 minutes. So I'm gonna try to put her down and then go to find something to eat. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. What is she looking at? Yes, guys, I'm going to sleep. I'll see you later. She's a mess. Alright, guys, bye. You guys, like, I'm still getting used to this Vlogmas thing. Hopefully by Christmas I'll be a whole lot better. But yeah, I was supposed to be cooking, but I got carried away making TikToks, and I did not even succeed to make one TikTok. So yay to me. But right now I'm just trying to put stuff away, you know, like turn the lights on outside, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. And then now I'm about to give Skye a shower because it's 6 o'clock. No, she takes a shower at 7. So I'm just, you know, putting things away, getting my nightwear out, because when I shower her, I don't want to come back in here trying to get my stuff. So I try to get my stuff before anything, and then when she sleeps, then I'll try to make dinner. Okay, don't judge me. I've not eaten all day. So I was in Skylar's room and I saw this. Somebody bought it for us on our registry, and I realized it said 3 months plus, so she's ready for this. It's basically a play mat, a baby water mat. Baby water mat. You just put water in it and she can do like tummy time on it. So I'm gonna go fill it up with water and see how it works. So yeah, mama, you ready? You ready for this water mat? That's a tongue twister. Is it just me? What? As you can see, I've already changed into my comfortable outfits, aka my nightwear. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and put water in this thing. Okay. Let me show you what it looks like. It has water inside. Today is officially Vlogmas, day 1 of Vlogmas, well day 2. But today is December 1st and I'm super duper excited because now we can officially start Vlogmas, okay? What I did yesterday, let's scratch that. Let's act like that did not happen, okay? What are we gonna do today? For Vlogmas, you see the pressure? Actually, I don't want to call it pressure because I feel like it's gonna help me to get out more and do more fun stuff, especially because it's Christmas and I love Christmas and it's Skylar's first Christmas, so I really want to, you know, be more active because I feel like ever since I gave birth to her, I've just been like a homebud, like literally just at home refusing to go anywhere. I hate winter, it's cold outside, so to me I'm just like, I'm staying home. It's going to wet. With Vlogmas, I'm gonna try to really go out and have fun and show you guys Oklahoma. Oklahoma is not that bad. You guys stay shitting on Oklahoma, but Oklahoma is not that bad. I have so many things planned this Christmas. We'll be hosting Christmas because my family does this thing where every year a different family member hosts Christmas. So we are hosting Christmas this year. That will be fun and that will give me something to do. Hobby is calling. Hold on. Hello? You dropped it where? At the laundry?
Place, whatever.
The dry cleaning?
Yeah.
How much?
$2.
What?
Sorry?
Why is it $2?
They say you have 50% off when it's your first time being there. I'm like, why did you guys not tell me that earlier?
No, you'd have left here and then come back to the house and take them all.
Now, what do I need? I don't have anything else to move to dry clean.
You'd have just taken stuff there.
And I'm not done.
So it was $4. Anyway, like I said, I just put Skylar down. Please, I really hope this little girl sleeps for long because I need to get stuff done. So I'm going to make up the bed. I'm going to get ready. I'm going to put on some small makeup, you know.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney.
So today I actually woke up really late. I don't know why. I took extra sleep. I woke up at like 11 o'clock and Skylar already had like her first nap of the day, which is usually super long for some reason. I don't know why. So she had like a 2-hour nap yesterday and today she had one in the morning between like maybe 9 and 11. So I don't expect this nap to be super long, but I'm still just, you never know, I might be lucky. So right now it's almost 2, it's 1:50, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and by the time she wakes up hopefully I'm done, and then I'll feed her and then we'll head out. All right, we are ready to go. Say hi, mama. Say hi. Say hi. Look at your little boots. Look at your little boots. Show them your boots. Yes, show them. Yes. You're such a show off. Yes, you're such a show off. You're such a show off. Me and this little diva, we're ready to go. Ready to hit the road. Waiting for Auntie Therese to get ready. And then we go. Where are we going to, Mama? Where are we going? Where are we going? Mommy doesn't even know where we're going. Mommy doesn't know. Look who's ready to go. We are ready to go. Mama, show your outfit. Show your outfit. Show. Look. Oh my goodness. Who is this cutie pie? Who is this cutie pie? Anyway, we're about to step out, so let's go, Mama. You ready? Yeah! You're a clown. Who's Auntie Tay? Auntie Tay, say hi.
Hi.
Travis.
What's that, Miss? Ah, yeah, hi.
Oh my gosh, she's making shy things.
Climb down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
So like my mom would say, 2 fools in the market. We came without our masks, so I have to run and go get it. Coronavirus is not real. I mean, it used to do that even when she was born, but now it's like every second it's just like watering up. But it's not getting red or anything, so I'm not worried yet. So I'm not too worried yet. Chauffeur is in the front, you know, taking us to the store. Chauffeur.
What's up?
How far?
What's happening?
What's
In this Christmas spirit today. Snapped out of it yet?
Bye.
Snapped out of it?
Bye.
Oh, la da da da, oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
I might even need to hold her. So. Oh, you hold her?
Are you okay?
Isn't this how it's supposed to
Hi.
be? Making our Christmas
Are you guys ready to do your piercings?
Yeah.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'll go.
Okay.
So these are all the earrings. How many?
You brought out earrings.
So we have to pierce with our earrings because they come in a sterilized cartridge where it fits into our gun.
Okay.
The only place that lets you use your own earrings are like body shops and parlors.
Okay. Alright, that's fine.
Wait, qual o barulho from Doneta from Zeus and also that?
No.
Price wise just varies on the earring.
What's
So-
the most expensive?
The most expensive one is our real diamond. That one's a 14 karat yellow gold. That one's $99.
And what are the other prices?
So the other ones, it's the 3CZ that's $71.99. The Daisy is $76.99, and then the Pearl thing.
I like the first one, the diamond looking one, looks like mine.
Okay.
Are you sure for only $20-something more you get a real diamond instead of a cubic zirconia? And it's smaller, so that way it's not looking at her like that. And it's easier to twist.
I said it's 90.
$99.
That's $100.
The last one, and then for inside all the way down. What's her name?
Skylar.
Oh, I love that name.
Thank you. I can just say Skye.
It's
Nothing.
okay.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
So I'm gonna clean first.
Check this out.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making up your
So are you guys? Oh, I know. Yeah, it feels weird.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bells sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry
vlogging? Is it okay if I just like a little bit? Okay.
I'm gonna clean up, and then after that, we're leaving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me just give a little tour.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Enjoy the photo shoot?
We just did our photo shoot. And Mama did so great.
Yeah, she was
Skye.
smiling. Over here, Mama.
Skye.
Over here.
Oh my God. Here. You did great. What is she looking at?
She's hearing what is behind her, so she's more concentrated about that. Oh wow. How yummy.
Are you shy?
Shy about what? Are you ready?
We just came back from our photo shoot and I'm looking like a snack. Jesus Christ. Like, where has this Lenora been? She needs to come back. She needs to be back. Okay. And then she's always been here. Anyway, right now Roland's about to undo the Christmas tree or open up the Christmas tree. This is it right here. Ordered it from Amazon. And yeah, I think it's a 7-foot Christmas tree. It's a 7-foot Christmas tree, so I'm just gonna put the camera there and let him do his thing. How was your photo shoot? How was your photo shoot? Say good. It was good. Woo! Was that intentional?
Skye said it wasn't. Right?
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance. Have a good time. Dance, dance. All night long, we're gonna dance, dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
It's past midnight, everyone is sleeping, and I just finished doing my homework because we slept off in the afternoon and I didn't get to finish it. So I have to clean up my makeup, I have to get changed, and then edit this vlog so I can put it up. So yeah, I guess this is the end of this vlog. Oh my God, let me show you guys the tree. Hopefully next week is better, because this week was a mess. But this is the tree. It's so cute. We still have to do stuff to it, so don't worry about it. We just put it up. It's supposed to be a pre-decorated tree. We have to add lights and then a few how you call those things, ornaments. Yeah. So yeah, this is the end of week 1. I can't believe I did this, but yeah, I tried. We'll continue and we'll try to do more fun stuff, okay?